Portugal, tercer oficial gas, or all gas officers to Embark 1080. Many ship owners in the LNG are flagging out from a Spanish flag to other flags because the charter rate of LNG is low. So perhaps winter we need heating and we need more gas, but now the market is bad. But this is a huge opportunity for Portugal. Why? Because a lot of European ship owners are realizing that close coastal LPG ships from 3,000 to 10,000 tons, we need European officers because 50% cabotage you need to have EU crew. And now they are thinking, wow, perhaps there is officers beautiful Azores, Ponte de Gada, now surfing Ribera Grande, Praia Victoria, Santa Catalina, then also in all the different spots and Madeira and Portugal from Oporto to Sagres. Then if you are a third officer with 1 year experience LPG or LNG, join Candina because we have these coastal LPG ships 3,000 ton to 8,000 ton approx, Malta, Madeira, Cyprus flags that are around us, and now in the summer we can employ you very fast for a huge ship owner. Also, other ship owners now they are starting in the LPG sector 40,000 ton LPGs. This is big ships with French flag, because the French flag now seems that it is very positive. Also in the LNG, but in the LPG, two big LPG ships, they require French officers. But there's not so many, and they are asking us for a Spanish. But I always think every time there is a wave, a beach, in my friends from Portugal. Now, if there is any LNG, LPG officers that want to sail French flag with the social security, responsible, social, governance, transparent for a local European ship owners, because we are all Europeans. Well, it's supposed to be. Then they still tax different ways. But for bringing revenue to Europe, then this is just for you. Obrigado for applying in a crew inspector. If you have this gas experience in Portugal, there is a new front with the French flag for LPG, also coastal ships, Malta, Cyprus, Madeira, all these flags. This is smaller ships for juniors, and then you can jump to the bigger ships. Please apply Candina Crew Inspector. Muito obrigado, all the Portuguese officers. Thank you. Ciao.